Hey guys, it's Amber, and I just wanted to share, sorry, that's my cat Cypher in the background. I just wanted to share a quick unboxing video with you for Scrapbook.com order that I just got in the mail. I took everything out of the box, but I haven't actually gone through it yet. So I got a couple mixed media pastes. I got a new Vicki Boutin Creative FX. This is Azure Blue Glaze. It's probably sealed. Oh no, it's not. So give me an idea. It's like a shimmery blue color. It's really pretty. It's like a texture paste. That's how I'll use that. I generally like to make samples of stuff so that I can see the colors and add them to my color booklet. We got two new Simon Hurley Lunar pastes. This one is called Gur. It's like a gold metallic texture paste, and then this one's called Shady. It's like a gunmetal silvery kind of color. I got, this was a Gina K sponge dauber that I wanted to try. Nice and small, but had different kind of handle. These were a freebie, 49th and Market. They're like like vinyl stamps and like a washi tape kind of thing. There we go. Get the box open. So they look like Christmas stamps, and they're like even perforated. So that's really cute. So that was free. Always check out the deals and coupons section. Always. This I got. I really like 49th and Market's rub-ons. So this is their, it says Art Options Spice by Katie Pertier. So this is like a fall themed one. Just get an idea what's cut off there from the packaging, but there's like butterflies at the bottom, a flower, a pumpkin. It's really pretty. I loved how they were like outlines in some really bright bold colors for autumn and fall. Sorry, I really didn't unwrap all this. So this was another free item. This is Scrapbook.com's Christmas colored smooth cardstock. There's 5 sheets of every color of 85 pound. I just figured it wouldn't hurt to have extra cardstock around if I ever wanted to like use it for anything. And their other free item is an item that I use all the time. 1/8 inch double-sided sticky tape. I keep the quarter on hand. It's actually here on my desk. I use the quarter all the time. I've never actually used the Scrapbook.com 1/8, but I use Gina K's 1/8 all the time, so I'm excited to have a ton of it. So really happy about that. This is the stuff that I actually purchased. So I got one of the newer sets of Tim Holtz Distress Crayons. These are pearlescent pigments, so there's a blue, like a cranberry, and like a silvery white. One of the newer sets. Holiday set number 5. I got some Pink Fresh. They're called Clear Drops, but these are in the Emerald City color. Just thought they could be fun. There's so many wreaths in this year's collection that I thought maybe it could be fun, you know, to like maybe add some to like a wreath or something. Lots of die cuts. These are P13. They call them light chipboard, but they're, to me, they're wood. Just they're all presents. So I thought that could be fun. This is, I don't think the right thing. Oh, maybe it is. Vicki Boutin's. She has a new line called Discover and Create. So these are art layer stencils. So we've got a big blobby section. This one is like bigger circles, smaller circles. There's a couple stripes here, and then like some triangles going in different directions. And then this is more all hand-drawn kind of looking lines. So it shows you how you can layer some over each other here. But for using with mixed media, or you could use these with a jelly plate. I'm excited for that. Just a stuff about my order being packed. Here I got some sequins. This is Picket Fence Studios. So there's clear sequins in here, green sparkles, and then little candy canes and snowflakes. It's called the Holiday Stockings set. It comes in this cute little case. So hopefully you guys can see that. That's really cute. And everyone's doing sequins this year, so I've been trying to collect a few. And I picked up just a handful of papers. So this is 49th and Market. They're florals, and on the back is like a blue polka dot. This one is called Spice Inverted Garden. I got excited like going this direction. I liked their pumpkin one. This one's called Caramel Toffee. Just really loved the watercolor look. And on the back is like a brown watercolor polka dot. And then this is another piece from Vicki Boutin's Discover and Create. It's like a multicolor background with this large cross stitch hoop. And I thought it would be kind of fun to either do a title with this, maybe cut this out and use it in December Daily, or like actually draw a design on here with like colored pencils or something, or markers, and you, like actually like color in the boxes like it was cross stitched, or like X them. I'm not sure exactly how I want to do it, or even like this could be cross stitched on, you know. But I thought that there was a lot that could be done with this, and this one's called Needlework. So I will put links to everything that's still available in the product videos information, and I just want to share with you guys what I got. Usually people really seem to like these videos, and always, like I was saying, check the deals and coupons section. This time they happen to have 3 freebies, and they were really good ones this time. So make sure you check them out. Bye for now.